Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your tag account password from your mobile device. So first of all, open your tag app. After the profile has appeared on the screen, you'll see three horizontal lines at the top left of the screen. Tap on that. Here beside your profile picture or username, you'll see setting icon. Tap on that. Now inside account, you'll see the option of change password. Tap on that. So here you must enter your current password and enter your new password twice in a given text box. After you have entered your password in a given text box, tap on save, which is at the top right of the screen. So this is how you can change your password in your tag account. So if you want to log in again, you must enter your new password. Here I've entered my new password. Now I'll tap on login button, which is below the text box. So this is how you can also change your password in your mobile device. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to hit subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.